How to get new software update on Android phone. This tutorial shows you how to check for and install the latest system updates on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Software Update or About Phone. From there, tap on Download and Install or System Update. At this point, tap on Check for Updates to search for available updates. In the next step, if an update is available, you'll see the update details and size. Following this, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and your battery is at least 50% charged. Once done, tap Download to start downloading the update file. From here, wait for the download to complete, which may take several minutes depending on the update size. At this stage, once downloaded, tap Install Now to begin the installation process. After this, your device will restart automatically and apply the update. Once completed, your phone will boot up with the latest software version installed. Finally, you can verify the update by going to Settings, About Phone, and checking the software version. And that's it! If this software update guide helped you keep your Android device up to date, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.